right, so first step is finding the direction of the market on higher time frames. Now, what does that mean? There's different criteria, there's steps that we need to follow. So are we bearish or are we bullish, right? So are we trending up or are we trending down? Do we have any areas of interest? That could be fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, premium or discount areas. And then at the same time, you want to mark out your liquidity, your sessions highs and lows, so you understand where price is headed to. Right? So that's important. We need to understand where is the market going, because if we don't know where the market is going, then how are we ever supposed to know what to do or in what situation to trade, right? So, and some days, listen, some days you're not going to know where the market is going, and the best traders will simply close their laptop and move on to tomorrow, right? Because me personally, I don't know where market is going every single day, right? But the days that I do know where the market is going, I take full advantage of it and I make money on those days. And then after that is simply as finding an entry point. So let's say I know price is heading to this level. Let's say we have a level down here and price is trending like this, and we just entered New York session, and I want price to go all the way down to here, right? So I want price to go down to here. Okay, cool. So I know we're trending down. I know we want price to go down here. Now it's as simple as, okay, let me find an entry in here for me to take it and ride it all the way down, right? So you don't want to enter, for example, here, because you'll most likely get stopped out. You want to enter here, where the retracement happens, and then you can take an entry to take it all the way down there, right? Those are the best trades. Now, how do you find an entry point is the question. Well, first thing is I have a criteria, right? I have a list based on my strategy that if I see happen, then I enter, right? So first thing is, do we have a break of structure? Second is, did we leave a fair value gap behind? And lastly, are we inside the 50% fib level? If all three check out, then I enter a trade. Now, how do you find an entry point is the question. Well, first thing is I have a criteria, right? I have a list based on my strategy that if I see happen, then I enter, right? So first thing is, do we have a break of structure? Second is, did we leave a fair value gap behind? And lastly, are we inside the 50% fib level? If all three check out, then I enter a trade. Now let's see what that looks like. If we play it, okay, cool. What do we have here? Here, 9:30 opens, market open. We have a break of structure. So I'm simply just gonna repeat the exact same steps, just on live charts. Break of structure here. Okay, cool. What did we leave behind? What's in between this wick and this wick? Fair value gap. So you take it from here, you draw out your fair value gap. Cool. Let's mark it out.